grandfather is still alive, go and ask them. They will tell you. The peaceful polygamous marriage, if on the rate of let's say 100, is only 2 that is peaceful. Two that is peaceful. Okay, sorry, I don't talk too much. I don't want to stay long on this so let me quickly do it so we're able to talk very well. Yeah, Isaac, I don't know, maybe Siri was cooking that time. Maybe she was cooking that time, I don't know. I feel like Nigerian, a pressure on women make them go marry the wrong husband. That's why men in Nigeria don't respect women. Yeah, you are correct. Yes, you are correct. You are correct, Isaac. Yes, you are correct. You are 100% correct. 100% correct. 100% correct. I don't know. I bought this liner and I don't think I like it. I don't like it. That's it. I don't like the liner. Like, it's kind of hey, sweet girl, give me some of your what you are eating, sweet girl. Or then yeah, you, hey, sweet boy, give me some of your money. Will you give me your money, sweet boy? If yes, can you send some? Okay, send some. I'm not Isaac, oh, please. Oh. I'm not calling you Isaac now. Did you get your rice, Minah? Rice? Rice? I think I want to get rice. I think I want to get rice, Lee. I never want to get rice. I'm doing a fuller lip. Can you see that? My lip is pumping out already. You guys might not see it. No, he's asking me. I'm coming. Wait. Guys, do you like that lip? I do a fuller lip, like. Can you see that? I overline my upper lip. Guys, please, if you are here, like this stream and share this stream, please.